Oh man, how come there's another person here? Hurry up, hurry! Open the door, open up!
Friends watching this video, do you think what we did here is right? If you think we did the right thing, please give us a little support. Let me see how many of you are on our side.
Come on, hurry, get into the hospital, let's go, go! DD.
Oh my god, why are you lying on the ground? You fell off your bike? Come on, get up first, get up.
Get up first, help him up, come on.
Come on, get up. The ground is all wet.
Let's go, hurry.
I told you to drive slower. How did you end up falling here?
Honestly, let's push his bike to the side first.
We'll head off now. You drive slower next time, okay?
Look, you're into it.
And just ended up fallen flat here. Is there anything else you need?
Come out here first. What's going on? Come out. I got something to tell you. We already helped you pick up your bike, didn't we? I got something to say. Come over here. What is it? You drive my bike like this. You think you just leave without making notice? Hey! Who crashed your bike for you?
Let me ask you. You were the one who was lying on the road. We helped you get out and now you're blaming us?
Did we do this to you? Get it straight.
No matter what, you're not leaving today without paying me.
How much do you want?
How much do I want? At least this much. 30,000. What's this number he's talking about? He said that. Okay, Lily, I want 30,000. I'm telling you.
You took it out all at once, you're gonna
You got my back already. You got my back already. Are you gonna pay or not? Tell me today. Are you gonna pay?
If you don't pay, let me tell you. If you keep acting like this, we won't pay you at all.
Let go. Let me go. I'll get the money. You think you can leave today without paying? Give me the money. Give me the money. Ouch. Ouch. You think
Just push it straight into that ditch. Hey,
Oh. Ouch. Come here. Oh my god. That's mine. Let go. Let go. Oh. Come on. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Help. 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 Help.
Get up. Hurry. Get up. Ouch. Drive slower. Will you? Oh my god. There's another person down here. Wait. Hold on a second. First, I'll blow up. Grab me. Hurry. Grab me in. Ah, step going down. Ouch. Ah, there's another person here. Hurry. Hurry. I'll get up. Hurry up. Who's this? That's my sister. Oh, your sister. Yeah.
Oh my god. Hurry. Go down that way and help me get her out. Hurry. Hurry. Come on. Hurry up.
Here's my phone. Hold up. Here's your phone. Here's your phone. Hey, are you okay? Here's your phone.
He's starting to wake up. Hurry. Get up.
Are you okay?
I hurt my back falling.
How the hell did you drive like this? Hurry. Come on, wait on the other side.
I hurt my back.
Where's my brother? He's waiting for you up there, right here.
Look at Steering. Come on, I'll help you with my brother. Should we send him to the hospital first? Help me out from over that side. Wait, Boss Rush. Just let me worry. I know we need to send him to the hospital. Alright, come on. Slow down, slow down. Don't hurt his hand. I'm telling you. You come down and help hold him. I hurt my help. How should I help you? Your sister? It's not my sister. Who asked you to rescue us anyway? I said you would talk to me like this. Hurry up. Hurry brother now. I'll take you to the hospital first. No, first, just leave it. Come on, I'll carry you. You pull from over there.
I can't get you on my back. Hurry up. Come here. I'll carry you. It's okay. I'll take you to the hospital. Slow down. Don't hurt my sister. Climb up a bit. Come on, this way. There are no nails here.
Oh, are you blind? Hurry up. How can you talk like that? I'm here rescuing you, not hurting you. I'll take him over there. I'll take him first. We need to get him now.
What?
It's not father. Just get him up first. We need to get him to the hospital.
Have him step on your shoulder. Why don't you come down and carry him up? Hurry up.
Step on my shoulder. I'll lift you up. Give your hand. Give your hand. 1, 2. I can't get a steady footing. I slipped.
It's steady.
Step both. Step on his hands. Give your hands. Give your hands. Hand. Give me a hand. Step on his 2 shoulders.
Put both feet on it.
Step. Nope, nothing.
Hey. Here we go. Ouch.
Should we take him to the hospital? Just forget it.
Hurry up and get me out of here.
What do you mean forget it? I broke my car. Hurry, help me.
I'll help pull you up. Pull me up from this side. You have a rope? Throw the rope down. Hurry up and get me out.
I have a rope here. You throw it down. You lift the car up. Come over from that side. Keys, can you talk a little nicer? Otherwise, I'm not moving. I'll just stay here. Push it from this side. Move it a bit. Why don't you come down and do it?
I'm not trying to hurt you guys.
Hurry up. Sit up.
Are you hurt anywhere?
He drove his car and knocked us down. What? I drove knocked down. Oh, come on. You pressed your hand. I'm telling you. You're not easy as boss. Listen, it wasn't me who hit you. Watch your language.
If it wasn't you, then who was it? Huh?
You pass by here. It wasn't you.
I drove down myself. Take your sister to the hospital first, then get my car up.
Just loop it down. Just loop it like that. Loop it on the handlebars.
It's gonna slip like that. Over there.
Forget it. Forget it. Here, tie the rope. Tie the rope. Tie the wheel.
If you break my car, can you even afford to pay for it?
Hurry up.
Look. Hurry. Hurry.
We're helping you. And you all helping us. It was clearly you who knocked us down. Helping us?
You pull. Come on. Hold on to the car.
Go here. Here. If you scratch my car, I'll come up, okay? Come on, what? You stay down there and hold it.
Can't hold it. Pull the car over a bit. Do you want to come up or not? Hold on.
Hold me up first. Hold me up. You climb up there yourself.
I'm gonna pull you up. In your dreams.
Should we take your sister to the hospital or not? Under business. Look, it's taking it. Let's get hospital. Get in the car. I'll take you to the hospital to get checked out.
Use my car. It's faster. No need. Look at him. He's in this state. I'm saving you, not hitting you. Watch your mouth. What kind of people are these? Really, what kind of people are these? Help! 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 Help!
Get up, get up, get up. Ouch, slow down a bit when you drive. Oh my, how is there another person down there? Wait, wait. You get first, I'll leave up. Quick, grab me. Step on a nail. Ouch, ouch, ouch. How is there another person there? Quick, quick, get out, get out. Hurry, hurry. Who is that? My sister. Your sister? Yeah.
Oh my god, quick, go over there and help me get her down. Hurry, hurry. Hurry up, hurry up.
He's not responding no matter what I call. He just filter, he just filter. Hey, is he okay? He just filter.
He's coming to a bit. Hey, get up. Are you okay? You hurt my back.
How did you drive like that? Quick, go over there and get on the road.
You hurt my back.
Where's my brother? He's waiting for you up there. Right here. Look at you, look at this tape. Here, my brother will help you up. Shouldn't we take him to the hospital first? Help me out from over there. Why are you talking so much? Just help me out. I know, take him to the hospital. Yo, come on, come on. Slow down, slow down. Don't get your hand caught. I'm telling you. Come down and give me a hand. My leg hurts so much. And you want me to help you? Your sister? Not my sister. Who asked you to save us? Ouch, I hate to be talking like that. Quick, quick, quick. Forget about your brother for now. I'll take you to the hospital first. Just leave the motorcycle for now. Here, I'll carry you, I'll carry you. You can't hold him over there.
I can't carry you up. Hurry up. Here, I'll carry you. It's fine. I'll take you to the hospital. Slow down. Don't bump into my sister. Push him up. Come on, from here, there are no nails here.
Ah, are you blind? Hurry up. How can you say that? I'm saving you, not hurting you. I'll pull him over.
Get him up first and send him to the hospital. Let him step on your shoulder. Why don't you come up and carry him on your back? Hurry up.
Step on my shoulder. Come on, I'll lift you. Give me your hand, sis. Give me your hand. 1, 2. Not steady, not steady.
Not steady.
Step, come on, give me your hand, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Step on both his shoulders.
Step up with both feet.
Step. No, nothing. Hey.
Here we go. Ouch, ouch.
Should we send him to the hospital? Hurry up, back now. I'll get you in the box back.
Forget, just get me up. What do you mean forget it?
Rope back, throw it down to me.
I'll pull you up from this side, pull me up. You have a rope? Throw the rope down then. Hurry up and get me up.
I have a rope here, you throw it down. You lift the bike up and come over from that side. Keys, can you speak closer? Otherwise I won't budge, I'll just charge right here. Push it up from this side of it. Why don't you come down and do it?
I'm not trying to hurt you guys. Sit up quickly. Where does it hurt? Where does it hurt?
He drove and knocked us down. What? I drove and knocked you down? Oh, come on. You pressed your hand. I'm telling you. You're not easy. Listen, I'm telling you. It wasn't you. Watch your language.
If it wasn't you, who was it then? Huh?
You have it. It wasn't you.
I drove down myself. Send your sister to the hospital first, then get my bike up.
Just loop it like this. Loop it on the handlebars.
It'll slip like that. Over there.
Hurry it. Here, high rope. High rope.
If you break my bike, can you afford to pay for it?
Hurry up.
Hurry, hurry.
We're helping you, and you're staying on this?
Clearly you're the one who knocked us down, and you're helping us? You pull? Here, hold on to the bike.
Go here, right here. You scratched my bike. I'll come up. Come up for what? You stay down there and hold it.
Can't hold it. Pull the bike over a bit. Come on, get in the car, let's check in.
Pull me up first. You can climb up for yourself.
You want me to pull you up? Dream on.
Should we take your sister to the hospital? Okay, hospital. Get in the car. I'll take you to the hospital. Yeah.
Use my car, it's faster. No need. Look at him, he's like this. I'm saving you, not hitting you. Watch your mouth. All kinds of people, really, all kinds of people.
What's going on over here? There's a person. Oh.
Wake up.
Hey.
Get up first. Sit up first. Sit up first. And
Come on, Come on, come on.
Hurry up, give him your hand. You guys go to the hospital first.
Folks watching at home, do you think what I did was right? Beep, beep, beep.
Oh, old man, what's wrong? Oh, can't carry it anymore. Oh, you can't carry it? Oh, in this hot summer. You're carrying so much firewood. Oh dear, oh dear.
Are you heading up that way, huh?
How far is it? How far is your home here?
Not far, just a few kilometers down the road.
Oh wow.
You're carrying this and have to walk several kilometers?
Oh. Hey, let me see that, okay? Oh, I see your roll. It's not easy at all. Hey, sit here first, sit here first. It's okay.
Did you get hurt from the fall?
I saw you fall.
Did it hurt?
You sit here first. I'll put the firewood in the car for you.
You're old, carry less firewood. You have to walk several kilometers, that's so far.
Hey, old man, I put the firewood in the car for you.
Get in my car.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Does your foot hurt?
Foot hurts?
You're so old, carry less.
He is my car, is it?
Can't get into my car? Then step on me to get up, huh?
What's going on?
Oh my heavens, how are you driving?
Come on, help him up, Heavens.
Hold on, how's he?
Get up, get up. Take it easy, get up. Oh my goodness. You go sit over there first.
Go sit over there first.
Sorry, just look at that. You need your earphones earlier. Right, right, I'm first. Hey, well, you go ahead. Take it easy, slow down. Right, take close. Right, those are close.
Let him go first.
Hey, where's the phone? Go on the close. Hey, wait, hold on. Where's my phone? I didn't take it. I didn't let my phone. Let me check quickly. In the car. You waited for me. Hold on. Let me first. You have any proof? When did I take your phone? I left, but I think I took my phone down. Let me look.
Just call it, then you'll know where it is.
What do you mean? I didn't take it. I was just trying to help you. Is this how you repay us? Do you have any proof or not? Wait. Is there a phone in your bag? What phone? Get down first. If you can't find it, you pay. Pay up. You look for it then. You hold it down first. You hold it down. Press it down.
This way, this way. You go this way.
What are you doing? You hold it down first. I'll ask my followers to back me up. Everyone watching. Tell me to this. Did he really take my phone or not? I believe you'll all support me, no matter what. Tell me listening. Could you select? Hey, well, it is.
Who'd support a loser like you? Can't find your phone and blame me.
Ouch, ouch.
Help. Help.
Help, driver. Ouch, ouch.
Oh wow, you drive this car like this? Oh my goodness.
That hurts. I was going to use it, but,
I'll be awesome. Quick, quick, quick.
too fast.
Ouch, you're going too fast. Go up there. Oh, ouch.
Is it easier to get on from there? Then go from there. Go slow. Drive slower. Be safe. Here, give me your hand.
You sit in the car for a bit. Wait, wait.
I'll pull your car up. You're lucky you met us, good Samaritans.
See how his car is. Now this car is up. Let's go. Look at that foot. It's in so much pain. He can't even handle it. There's your car. You can go. Oh, ooh, ouch. Try tying it. Try the zipper. Can we get up?
Slow down, slow down.
Hey. I'll get car up. And it's awesome, okay?
Take a rest.
Hey,
Leave it behind. Go this way. Ah. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. 1, 2, 3, go. Right, right. One, two, three, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Just leave the car here. Let's get you to the hospital first. Hurry, bro. Let's get you to the hospital first.